Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to switch between webcam and display in OBS Studio. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your OBS app on your computer. Once you're in, navigate to Scene and click the plus icon. For this example, type Scene 1, then click OK. This creates your first scene where you'll set up your display capture. Now in the bottom left, navigate to Sources and click the plus icon. From the list that appears, select Display Capture, then click OK. This source allows OBS to record or stream what's showing on your monitor in real time. Next, look for Display. Right beside it, click the drop-down menu and select your preferred display from the list, then click OK. This will record or stream your entire monitor. You can resize it if needed by dragging the corners to fit your canvas perfectly. Back in the bottom left, click the plus icon again, then select Video Capture Device. This is where you'll add your webcam feed to the scene. Enter a name, for example, type Webcam, then click OK. In the device drop-down at the top, choose your webcam from the available options, then click OK. Your webcam feed will now appear on the canvas. Resize it by dragging the corners to position it wherever you'd like on your screen. Now, navigate to Scene again and click the plus icon. For this example, type Scene 2, then click OK. I'll use this scene for a Stream Starting Soon screen. In the bottom left, navigate to Sources, then click the plus icon and select Media, then click OK. On the right side, click Browse. Browse through your computer files and select the file you want for media, then click Open. Look for Loop below the drop-down menu and check the box beside it, then click OK. This ensures your media plays continuously. Resize if needed by dragging the corners. Now navigate to Scene. You can now click Scene 1 and Scene 2 to switch between your display with webcam and your media scene. This gives you full control over what your viewers see during your stream or recording. Optionally, you can set hotkeys for switching scenes, which makes transitions even faster. In the upper left, click File, then select Settings. In the left panel, click Hotkeys. Scroll down until you find Scene 1, then click the text field right beside it. Assign a key combination, for example, press F1. Look for Scene 2 and set it, for example, F2. In the bottom right, click Apply, then click OK. Now go ahead and press F1 and F2 to switch between scenes instantly using your keyboard. You've now set up multiple scenes in OBS and can switch between them seamlessly. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.